There's the baby seagull again. I don't want to get too close because... Oh my god, he's so cute. Here's the mama. Oh, where's your face? Right there. She's looking at me. I think that's Papa. I still say, I forgot if I mentioned this, but there was a seagull couple that was over on the zoo store, like over that way, on the roof of that. And I had this weird feeling that, like, it's them. And I named them Lily and Marshall, like, from How I Met Your Mother. So, as what I officially call them, Lily and Marshall with the baby. Oh, you're so cute. Hi guys, I got off early today. I'm wearing my red panda outfit again because I'm obsessed with it. But also it's comfortable and it's a really hot day. I'm just hanging with the lemurs. I got a new cup today. I'm very excited to add another one to our collection that I have. I need to find more stickers, but because of that I was inspired to go see the lemurs because the lemurs are on it, so. Anyways, today was a really great day. I really like weekdays at the zoo, like at work and stuff. It's really cool. I mean, look how pretty it is. Gosh, it's really like just a gorgeous place to work. Anyway, sorry. Moving on to what I was trying to say. I have really cool coworkers. My supervisor today got us all pizza, which was really cool. And he literally asked like everyone like what toppings like they wanted, up to like 2 toppings, and like so I just want pepperoni, and he gave us like, so it was Domino's, and he got a bunch of pizzas for us, and each of us got like half a medium pizza. I was like, what? Thank you. And he was like, you guys all deserve it. He's the best. But that was a really fun surprise, and so I had to share it. Look at the baby seagull. Let's do a little chirp chirp. Let's do a little chirp chirp. Sorry. You learn them from your mom and dad up there? Is that what you're doing? It's so cute. Love the penguins too. You gotta love them penguins. They're so precious. Birds are just like randomly opening their mouth like a yawn. Is it like yawning?
Lollipop, lollipop. Look at them.
Look at them go. Wow.
Is it better than being in the car?
I wonder if it's like when they're fat or something.
Oh, it's so cute. What the heck is this?
I'm pretty convinced that this penguin is friends with the baby seagull. I wonder why they do that. I think this is one of the younger ones. I think the red band means they're one of the babies. I wonder if they're about the same age. Feeding your penguin. Also, I'm eating goldfish, so I feel like I'm sharing a moment while they eat their food too. I'm sharing a meal time with penguins. I haven't seen Carson forever. Like, I keep coming out here and he's like off exhibit, or like, you know, and is off exhibit home, as he has a right to be. But I'm just so happy to see him out today. Hopefully it's not too backlit. It's hard to tell because I think my brightness is down. Me. Daddy. Hi, Mom. Hi. She took me out for a little birthday lunch, and we're gonna walk around this botanical gardens. It's gonna be really nice. Exciting. Hello again. I have not switched the critter shirt because it's actually the same day as the last vlog that I made. But still, it's adorable. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. We had a bit more zoo footage, and you got to see me go to briefly go to the botanical gardens with my mom. And that clip of us at the botanical gardens was actually the same day that Mike and I technically left for Alaska, but I separated it because I wanted to kind of put all the travel together. So I was able to see my mom before we left for Alaska for, I think it was 2 weeks. Was it 2 weeks or a week and a half? I feel like it was at least 2 weeks. Anyways, those are coming up next. Stay tuned. All right, thank you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.